Pass the word. Hi there. Welcome to our new channel. Pass the word.
I'm glad you're here.
Pasta word. What do we have today? Pasta?
Yeah, we're going to make some pasta for our first recipe.
We're not always going to have pasta.
No, but
most of the time.
A lot of times we will.
We
right?
like to eat, yeah.
Yeah.
What do you got good today?
Okay, we're going to make...
I forgot!
Outtakes. We're going to make 1 pot garlic pasta. So we have a couple ingredients. It's a really easy recipe. Rick's favorite ingredient here, his perfume, is a clove of, we're going to use a couple cloves of garlic. And then we're going to use 2 cups of vegetable broth. And we're going to use 1/3 of a cup of Parmesan cheese. A little bit of butter.
Butter.
Some scallions for extra flavor.
Butter and garlic.
About a cup of milk. And we're going to use half a bag of pasta. So this time we chose these fancy noodles here. They look like mini lasagna noodles.
What are they called?
What are they called? I can't pronounce this.
Mafalde. Mafalde. La mancha.
Anyway, we're going to use half of that bag because we only need 8 ounces. So what we're going to do is incorporate all these liquids into the pasta. We never are going to boil it in water and pour the water off. We're going to use the liquid to make the flavor for the 1 pot meal.
It's easy, right? And fast?
Yeah,
I'm always
it's so
hungry.
easy. Yeah, he's kind of impatient, as you guys know. But okay, so what I'm going to do here, while we're chopping the vegetables and everything, I'm going to take the pot and add 2 cups of the vegetable broth. Now, you can use chicken broth also to make it a little richer, but we're going on the vegetarian style meal here today. So
What?
Yeah, no meat for you today.
That's all right. We're gonna have meat for lunch. This is gonna be our dinner today, right?
Yeah.
Supper, dinner, whatever.
All right, so we're gonna add 2 cups of broth, and we're gonna get that started on the stove. Start heating it up.
All right. And in the meantime, maybe I'll cut up the garlic.
Yeah, you can cut up the garlic and the scallions.
How much garlic do you want? That whole
And
bowl there?
measure everything
That whole
else.
head of garlic?
Yeah, I want all of that. Chop it up.
Jab it up. Easy. Oh, yeah. Look at this thing I found. Where is it?
Get it from the knife.
This is supposed to peel them? You put a couple in there or what?
Yeah, it's a gadget.
Roll it. Let's see if it works. They in there? How many you put? 2, 3, 4? It's supposed to peel it like this. See if it works. It worked! Look! That's easy, huh? One of them came out, 1 out of 3. Put 1 at a time. Where'd you get this? At the trade show or?
Yeah, it was
Look, it does work. It works easy.
I think we got it at the flower show when Katie and I went to the flower show.
Well, garlic is my favorite flower.
It
It worked. Okay. I'll do that, and then I'll cut these up, and you have a...
I have the scallions here. I'm going to wash them, and we'll get them ready to cut.
The Italian scallion. The Italian scallion. It comes off pretty easy. At the flower show, huh?
Philadelphia flower show.
Oh. And I'll just cut these up. There's more, but I'm just showing you quick. See? As thin as you like, right?
Yeah, whatever you want to.
Or maybe you don't like garlic, but I don't know why. Okay. I'll continue cutting these while you cut your... What are they called? Scallion. Oh yeah, Italian scallions. Cut them up.
I'm just going to cut off these roots. And then we're going to make nice little slices
Roots.
to fill the dish.
How far up do you go?
I like to go up into the dark green, especially when we're using it to cook because it's got so much flavor. Look at that, how fresh. Oh, don't you love to hear that crunch?
It smells good. It smells good with the garlic.
Yeah. I'm gonna put that much in.
All right. So let me see how much you saved in the end.
We can actually use this in our vegetable stock that we're gonna make later on.
Okay. What's the next step? Garlic is cut. The scallions are cut.
Right. I'm going to go back and add some milk to the pan and some salt and pepper.
How much milk?
I'm going to add a cup of milk.
Oh yeah, you said that already.
Yep. Now, you know what I'd like to mention here? This recipe kind of makes a low-fat version of an Alfredo sauce. You won't miss the fat. You won't miss the cream and the cream cheese and stuff that people put in. We are going to use whole milk to make it a little thicker. And we are going to use Parmesan. But we're going to skip all the heavy cream and stuff like that.
Does smell good.
Yeah. And we're going to use the starch that comes from the pasta to keep it in the pot. And that makes it thicker too. Right? So it's a nice way to make your...
Is that what we're learning today?
Wow. We're making a vegetarian thing, a little bit healthy for you. More healthy than
Garlic and butter and
Alfredo
onions.
sauce out of a jar or something.
All right.
Okay. All right, I'm going to add the milk.
Ooh.
So, vegetable stock came to a boil and I added a cup of milk. All right. Rick, you got that garlic ready?
The garlic.
Oh, thank you, sir.
I helped. I'm gonna help eat it too.
Here goes the chopped garlic, nice and fresh. We're just going to keep cooking here. We'll add a little bit of salt and pepper. Pretty much.
I'm gonna help. Woo! Sea salt.
Okay, cool. And then I'm going to take about 2 tablespoons of butter. Alright. And we're going to keep stirring this. When it comes to a boil again, I'm going to add half a package of the pasta.
Half a package.
Well, it's a 16-ounce package. We're going to use 8 ounces.
All right.
All right, the liquid here is boiling, smelling good, don't you say?
Mm-hmm.
So we're going to grab about half of this. I want to show you these noodles up close.
They do look like mini lasagnas.
Look at them, aren't they nice?
Yeah.
Watch how they get when we cook them. And the nice thing about this big square pan is we can put them in as whole piece.
Yeah.
Pretty nice.
And they boil like regular time spaghetti would boil?
Yeah. Yep, like spaghetti. All right, you gotta get it down into the liquid as it softens up. And we'll be back when that starts to
When are we
boil.
gonna put our herbs in?
Oh, we're gonna put these in.
Oh, my garlic's in there already, right?
Yeah, but we're gonna put the scallions in a little bit later, so
Okay.
they don't get too soft. Like a little crunch.
Okay. Almost time to eat.
See, the pasta's getting soft, and it's absorbing all the liquid as it cooks. Yummy.
That's gonna be a good sized meal, but if you wanted to cook the whole bag, you would have just doubled your recipe,
Yeah,
right?
double your liquids. But for our meal today, that'll be plenty for both of us.
Yeah. Can't wait. It's only been about 6-7 minutes, right? I forgot to look at the clock, but you can tell by looking at it. When you put them Italian scallions in there.
A couple minutes. All right, you can see how the sauce is thickening up here as the pasta finishes the cooking. At this point, we're going to add those lovely scallion pieces. Just to give them a little cooking time, but let them stay a little crunchy. Oh my gosh, doesn't that make that look nice?
You really soaked up the broth you put in there,
Yeah, it really did. All right, I'm just going to cook this another 2 or 3 minutes,
too. Yeah.
and then we'll add the Parmesan and put it in a bowl.
Ooh, we could eat right out of the pot. This is a one-pot meal, right?
It's a one-pot meal.
We could have a party, huh?
That's the best part.
Yeah.
Grab a fork.
This is good for your main meal or your parties. Whatever.
All right, a couple more minutes.
I'm hungry now. All right. I'll wait.
I think this is nicely done. It's creamy. And you can cook the pasta to the desired doneness that you like. But if you want to cook it a little longer, just add more vegetable broth or add a little more milk and let it cook a little bit longer. But this is a nice way to serve it.
Here comes the cheese. Here comes the cheese.
Here comes the cheese.
You could even actually add peas or anything you like to this meat. You could make it how you like it.
And in fact, you can turn this into several different kinds of meals. You could add broccoli one day.
Yeah.
but add them where they have time to cook. Like,
Shrimp.
yeah, that would be good. I like that idea. I like the way he thinks.
You can make it your own, and you're a good chef.
Now look at that. Oh, can you smell the cheese now?
Yeah.
Wow. Let's get it in a bowl. You got a bowl over there, Rick?
I got my chef's coat on, but I didn't do much chefing. But I cut the garlic.
That's only because this is so easy.
But I'm helping, and here's a nice bowl.
It's such an easy recipe.
Yeah. I'm glad I was part of it.
All right, let's get it in there.
Ooh, it's gonna fit. It's gonna fit.
One pot meal. Let me get some of that nice sauce
One
out
pot
of there.
wonder.
You know, using all the liquid that we put in the pot, including the liquid that the pasta cooks in, makes it a little thicker here too, because we're using the starch that came from the noodles. And that's something I learned from Martha Stewart.
Thanks, Martha.
She's smart. She's a smart chef.
Yeah. All right.
Oh, let's try it.
Yeah. Let me get my eating fork out.
Okay, get me one too. We're
All
gonna
right.
just taste it out.
Oh, yeah, it's hot. Whoa. How's it look, everybody? Oh, cheesy, garlicky, scalliony. We're gonna
We're gonna eat it.
it's a one pot
It's a one pot meal.
it's a one pot meal, so
Oh,
it'll be a one bowl eater.
wow.
I'll share it with you.
Be careful, it's hot.
Got some armor in my pocket there.
Ooh, look at that. Yummy.
Scared.
Let it cool off a little
I
bit.
should have made a loaf of bread.
We'll be fine.
You first? You want some, don't you?
You want some?
They're like little mini lasagnas. Maybe I can make my lasagna soup next week, huh? With these. In the pressure cooker.
Yeah, we got half a
Yeah,
bag
we're
left.
not going to do every video about pasta, but mostly. And we have pressure cookers, you know that. Pressure cookers, air fryers, rotisseries,
Yeah, we're gonna use our appliances, and
or 2 KitchenAid mixers that we got recently.
we got all
It's going
kinds.
to be a lot of fun. If you haven't seen us before on our other channels, we're glad you're here.
Plus, we might take them on the road with us
Oh
sometime.
yeah, yeah. A lot of eating. That's perfect. Want some more?
Here's a napkin for you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Delicious.
Hope you have a chance to try this recipe because it's so easy. One pot meals you can't lose. They're so easy, and you can really come up with some good results.
Oh yeah, this is delicious. Never heard of this. Okay, everybody, thank you very much for visiting, and please pass the word to all your friends.
See you next time, and we hope you have
Very happy, healthy, and safe New Year.
New Year.
Thanks for stopping by. I'll do all this. Oh, you want some? Bye, everybody.
Bye.